guys, it's Luke here and welcome back to another video. You join me today with a very special car indeed. This, of course, is a Mark II Focus RS, a car which I have been around a few times in the past, but definitely not as much as I wanted to. This is a stock turbo, stock internal 430 brake car, but the aim which I want to basically explore today is this car the best sounding hot hatch that money can buy? Of course, we are joined today with Ollie, the owner. We'll get him on camera and get him to do a bit of a walk around of the car, and then we'll go out and make some noise in this 430 brake Mark II Focus RS. Okay, so we're joined now with Ollie, the owner of the car, mate. Thank you so much for coming down today. It's a beautiful car, this.
Thank you.
I'm a big fan of them. Big fan, as I'm sure a lot of people watching it are as well. 430 brake?
Yeah,
running
and about 420 pound-foot of torque as well.
Okay, nice.
Tuned by Sabre Tuning.
I think I've filmed quite a few Sabre tuned cars actually up until now. Mainly RS products because that's kind of what they specialise in, isn't it?
Good at it.
But we'll dive straight in.
Okay.
We're running stock turbo, stock internals still at the moment, right?
Yeah, that's correct.
Just bolt-ons basically.
Yeah, aftermarket induction kit, intercooler by Airtech, and then a replacement in that manifold just so it doesn't go bang.
Yeah. Good idea.
yeah. But like you say, pure bolt-ons. Try and decide whether to forge and go hybrid turbo in the future, possibly.
Yeah. How long have you had it roughly?
About 4 years now.
Okay.
It's the longest car I've had. I just can't seem to get rid of it. So
yeah.
it may have to
I'm not surprised. I can imagine it's pretty addicting driving it.
Yeah. It is.
But going around it as well, lovely set of wheels.
Thank you.
On it as well, Rotiforms.
So these were the first set in the UK. Rotiform sent their photographers down. We did a full feature.
Oh, crikey.
Yeah, the latest Ken block wheels.
Yeah, of course.
But yeah, it was a good experience.
Yeah, for sure.
With the AP racing brakes behind.
Yeah, I saw them. Lovely. Brakes are so important with cars.
Yeah.
I suppose because there's so many spokes and so much design within the wheels, you don't see the brakes at first.
No, it is a little bit hidden more than I'd like it to be.
Yeah, absolutely.
I think of changing the colour of the wheels in the future. So
What are you thinking?
Thinking white.
Oh, yes.
Go bold and go
like
white.
Like proper Ken block.
Yeah.
Tribute,
so,
I like it.
That'll probably show the APs a bit more.
Yeah, for sure. I just noticed the vents on the bonnet as well, that's cool.
Yeah, got them done a couple of years ago. Get a bit more cooling out because it was getting a bit warm.
Yeah, for sure. But yeah, I think these things have aged so well. 12 years, 13 years old now?
Yeah, this is 2009, so...
Oh, it's an 09, is it? Okay.
14 years old now.
Wow. They don't make them like they used to, that's for sure.
No,
they don't make them anymore.
No, they don't.
Focus RS full stop, do they?
No, it's gone.
But yeah, exhaust-wise as well, the party piece, important bit.
Yeah, so it's a decatted turbo-back KMS Thunderstorm exhaust.
Okay, yeah.
It is noisy.
That's what we like.
I do keep getting tempted to go louder again, but I think it is probably about the usable limit for noise.
Those tips are huge, actually.
Yeah, they are a little bit
stick
dirty.
My whole head in there, to be honest. But yeah, any other bits, low line kit, that kind of thing?
Yeah, so low line kit all the way round. It's lowered on Bilstein shocks and springs.
Awesome. No, it's a pretty nicely set up car, and I haven't been in one of these in a little while, so I think if that's pretty much everything, we'll get it fired up and go make some noise.
Yeah, let's do it. That turbo flutter as well that I don't think the RS3 5 pods have quite got. They've not got the engine noise, but they've not got the accessories.
Exactly. There's so many noises going on actually.
There is.
Or pop on the upshift. The torque is pretty strong as well. Yeah, really strong.
Yeah, it does give you a pull. It reminds you that you're in front wheel drive.
Yeah. Whoop. Yeah, it's mega.
That's the thing, is it? It's the laugh. It's not the quickest car, but you get that laugh out of it as well.
Exactly. Whilst torque steer could be a bit of an issue, it's still usable power at this stage, I guess, isn't it? Really.
I mean, like when you're used to driving it, you know, like what you know it's going to do it.
Yeah.
It's when you're new to it and you're like, oh,
yeah,
not used to this.
Exactly. Yeah.
That was I test drove one of these with my friend, and that was I served my 1 Series at that point.
Okay.
And that was the point where I was like, we pulled down the road and we both giggled at the noise, and I was like, that's it. I was like, I need one.
Yeah, but it sounds good no matter where you are in the rev range as well. Like even just pootling along now,
Yeah,
you still get that thrum as you lift off, don't you?
Yeah, you get like the little burbles out of it as well.
Yeah, absolutely. The manual shifts are savage as well.
Yeah, they are. Even when you're like short shifting a little bit, when you're not using the whole of the rev range.
Yeah,
still.
for sure. Clutch-wise, is that uprated or is it still stock?
So yeah, that's uprated clutch, a twin friction sort of sports clutch, only because the OEM one was slipping at that power. So
what if you're gonna kind of modify a manual? It's kind of the go-to thing, isn't it?
yeah, exactly that. It changed the drivability quite a lot, to be fair, because it's still got like the standard feel as well, which is nice.
Okay.
It's not horribly stiff. And, you know, like some uprated clutches can be.
Yeah, one of my Golf is like, you got like proper stamp on it.
Yeah. This one just feels OEM, which is sort of what I wanted at the same time.
It's good, isn't it?
It's a giggle factor. Yeah, like you say, that's a nice thing. You can be driving slowly and you're still having a bit of a laugh, or
yeah, absolutely.
You know, you can still be stuck in traffic but still make a bit of noise.
Yeah, like you don't need to wring its neck to bring out the car.
It's drivable power as well, isn't it? You can sort of put your foot down and not have to worry too much about being pulled. Direct. Yeah, it's not bad.
Like, torque steer is really direct. It sounds amazing. Oh yeah, the overrun now is getting really nice. It's these kind of roads where it comes alive, really, isn't it?
Yeah.
So do you reckon you are going to go a little bit more with it?
I think so.
Leaning towards it?
I just can't bring myself to sell it, so I feel like it needs. Like you say, Cyvex is always an option. I don't know whether to go hybrid or big turbo. Yeah, they're both. What I'd probably just do is I'd send it to get forged and then get it all, all done at the same time, so it comes back a different animal. You know?
Oh yeah, for sure. It's an absolute symphony, it really is. It really is.
Yeah, you've got stuff going on in all different directions.
Yeah. Third gear is
rips, doesn't it?
Yeah, mate, absolutely. The hotter it gets, the better it sounds.
Yeah, 100%. Yeah.
Absolutely mental. Well, mate, thank you so much for coming down and bringing this on the channel.
No, thank you for having me.
Yeah, no, it's been really good, and hopefully, if you do end up going hybrid or big turbo, then we'll get it back on the channel.
Yeah, sounds good to me.
And have some fun. But yeah, of course, if you guys do want to learn more about the build, then you can find Ollie's Instagram link down in the description down below. But for me today, that is it. I hope you guys have enjoyed. If you have, please do make sure you leave a like and make sure to subscribe for all the adventures still to come.